Tashi Delek, Jamie.
Tashi Dilek, Alex.
So today, we're learning how to address people in Tibetan, right?
Yes, I read that using la after someone's title or name is a way to show respect. For example, for a monk, we'd say kusho la.
Oh, and for a nun, it would be Annie La. Did I get that right?
Exactly. Also, when talking about ourselves, we say niya for I.
And for you, we have two versions. Kai Rang for informal situations, and Kai for more respectful ones.
That's right. And for he or she, we use kong respectfully, and for they, it becomes kong so.
This is really useful. What about addressing younger or older people based on gender?
For a younger female, we say bumo meaning girl, and for an older female, it's achala meaning sister. For a younger male, we usually just say boo. For everybody, you could add la using their name, like Jamie La.
And for addressing an older male, it's Jolak meaning brother, right?
Yes, and for someone in a position of authority like a teacher or respected elder, we use ganla pronounced as ganla with ga as in good.
And a spiritual teacher would be addressed as Lama or Gagan.
That's correct. To greet someone, we say Tashi Dilek, and to wish someone a good night, it's Zimjak Dilek.
What about when someone is leaving or excusing themselves?
The person who is leaving would say Gong Pa Shu, which means excuse me. If they're taking leave formally, they'd say Jugnang Go, which means have a good stay. If one leaving expect to see the other person soon, they'd say Jugnang Go, which means see you. If one expects to see other person very soon, they'd say Gyokpo Jalyong.
Got it. And how do we address friends?
For a male friend, it's Drakpo, and for a female friend, it's Drakmo.
Let me try some sentences. Tashi Dilek, Jenla, Nga Jamie Yin.
Hello, teacher. I am Jamie. Perfect. Let me try one Anila, Gongpa Shu.
Then excuse me. This is so much fun. Let's practice more with real situations next time.
Definitely. Zugnang Go.
Have a good stay.
Tashi Dilek, Jukpo Jalyong.
See you soon!